In this video, I'm going to show you how to call Venmo customer service. So it's actually quite simple. First, go to their official website, which is venmo.com, and you want to go up here where it says Help Center, so just click on that. And after the page loads up, of course, first you can try to look for different answers on here. So if you don't want to call them straight away because maybe their lines are full or you'll have to wait a bit, you can try finding your question and your answer up here. So basically just click through and see if there's any answer to your questions. But if there isn't, you can try this Venmo help bot over here where it says try it now. And after you do this, it will open up the chat bot who basically knows quite a bit about Venmo. And of course, it can assist you with different things and various topics regarding Venmo. Or of course, if you'd still like to call them, what you can do is go down here to the very bottom where it says contact us and click on that. And from here, if you scroll down again, you'll see it says ways to contact, call for general support. And over here, it says you can call for help with payments to friends, transfers, and more at this number over here. And their teammates are available every single day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. CT every day. So that's pretty much it. Of course, you can submit a ticket over here in case they don't pick up as well. And then they will get to your specific case as well, and they'll get back to you via email. And that's pretty much it. So this over here is the number. If you want to contact them and call them, this is how you get in touch with their customer service. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.